home to royalty and 1,000 years of royal history. Spectacular views, changing of guards, which surrounds with colourful spectacle and British pageantry, marvel artwork and majestic architecture. अगर आप हैं लंदन में और ये आपके इंटरेस्ट एरिया में आता है, then this video is a must watch for you. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel One Girl in 72 Countries, and we are going to explore Windsor Castle, which is the only largest and the oldest occupied castle in the world. इस वीडियो में मैं कवर करने वाली हूँ how to get to Windsor Castle, Windsor Castle में क्या मिस नहीं करें, and the pro tips which will literally come handy while exploring. So there are 3 ways to get to Windsor Castle. The first is taking a train, which generally takes an hour and 10 minutes and runs every 30 minutes. और अगर आप बस ले रहे हैं तो 1.5 hour लगेगा. And if you want to drive, then it will take approximately 40 minutes to an hour maximum, though that depends upon the traffic. So if you're traveling by train, then there are 2 main train stations in Windsor. Both are 10 minutes walk away to the castle. The first is Windsor and Eton Riverside, which is just outside the town centre by the River Thames. And the second is Windsor and Eton Central, which is in the town centre and a 10 minutes walk to the castle. You can take a train from London Waterloo to Windsor and Eton Riverside, which takes under an hour and has plenty of space on board. You can also get the train from London Paddington Station, but you'll need to change trains at Slough and jump on a smaller local train. And if you're opting for bus, then you can take the Green Line, which is 702 bus service to Windsor, which takes approximately an hour and a half, and it can give you a round trip or approximately £10. And also buses run every hour from London Victoria, and there are other bus stations. Choose Hyde Park Corner, Royal Albert Hall, Knightsbridge, Kensington, Hammersmith, Langley, Slough. And if you are a road tripper, then of course you can drive to the Windsor Castle, which take approximately 40 minutes to an hour to get to the Windsor Castle. However, the parking lot near the riverside is a bit expensive, so you may keep that into your consideration. And if you're in Windsor Castle, then it is a must to experience the changing of the guards at Windsor Castle. Generally ये सुबह 11 बजे शुरू हो जाता है, तो जब आप ऑनलाइन टिकट बुक कर रहे होते हैं Windsor Castle का, तो फिर आप अपनी टाइमिंग मैच कर सकते हैं accordingly, so that at least you reach there 10-15 minutes or even 20 minutes earlier to grab your spot to experience the entire beautiful experience which encompasses colorful spectacle and British pageantry. ये ceremony usually 11 o'clock in the morning हो जाती है castle ground में, और किस दिन होती है और किस दिन नहीं होती है वो मैंने information description में mention कर दिया, so you can check it out if you are interested to experience. If you want to watch from the street, then they go around 20 minutes before 11 o'clock and they come back around 30 minutes later. And also the crowd is less crowded when they come back. And a good spot to watch on return is the traffic light between Guildhall and Queen Victoria Street. You can stand opposite side of the road to the Guildhall and you'll have the great view when they come around the corner. I can feel the drum rolls, I can feel the rhythm. So I'm not going to talk much, I would let you experience with this video. I'm sure you've enjoyed as much as I did. Hi guys, morning. So we are heading towards the Windsor Castle, and जहाँ से coaches उतरती है वहाँ से at least 3-4 minutes का walk है. So आप वहाँ walk कर सकते हैं. It's such a beautiful view that you can definitely enjoy. Super sunny weather. The queue to the castle is really huge. बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ हो जाती है. So जैसे ही आप अपने drop off area से उतरे, run to the castle and you can clear the queue faster. अगर आपने पहले से tickets book कर रखी हैं, अगर आपने ticket वहाँ पे लेनी है, then it will take little longer than usual. Get the security check-ins done, get your tag, and you can start experiencing the royal history at Windsor Castle. और ये approximately 2 to 3 hours लग जाते हैं पूरा castle घूमने के लिए. लेकिन अगर आपके पास पूरा दिन spend करना चाहे तो आप वो भी आराम से कर सकते हैं because you have ample amount of time. I hope he's going to support us after this long 12-hour journey to Stonehenge and back. Around 5 to 7 minutes walk के बाद आपको audio guide section मिलेगा जहाँ से आप अपना audio guide pick up कर सकते हैं with a headphone, and the audio tour is pretty detailed and easy to follow. I highly recommend getting the audio tour that you can listen to as you go around the castle. So मेरे पीछे जो है ये यहाँ पे the State Apartments का north entrance है, और इसके पीछे आप देख सकते हैं कि beautiful city view. अगर आपके पास स्ट्रॉलर है तो आप इधर से रिकमेंडेशन नहीं है. गेट से बाहर जाके लेफ्ट में जाएंगे तो आपको स्टेयर्स मिलेगा। स्टेयर्स पे आप स्ट्रॉलर पुल अप करके आप जा सकते हैं बच्चे के साथ में। तो विंडसर कासल में आप 3 चीजें बिल्कुल भी मिस नहीं कर सकते हैं। सबसे पहला है आपका स्टेट अपार्टमेंट, डॉल हाउस एंड सेंट जॉर्जेस चैपल। और डॉल हाउस के लिए जो लाइन होती है वो एक्सट्रीमली लंबी होती है, तो अ विजिट टू द चैपल शुड बी द फर्स्ट स्टॉप वंस इनसाइड द कासल। विंडसर कासल इज ऑल अबाउट एक्सपीरियंसिंग द रॉयल हिस्ट्री, सो यू आर नॉट अलाउड टू फोटोग्राफ और डू अ वीडियोग्राफी इनसाइड द कासल, बट देयर आर ओपन एरियाज जहाँ पे आप फोटोज और वीडियोज क्लिक कर सकते हैं। गिव यू अ लिटिल बिट of an idea about these 3 most important places that you must visit inside. The first is the state apartments, which is the lavish state apartments with the marble artwork and absolutely stunning architecture. When I entered the doll house, I was in awe, like, how can this is possible? This is like a small miniature of a royal palace, like the smallest you can ever imagine. And the St. George's Chapel, you can see the resting places for many monarchs, including Henry VIII and Jane Seymour. और यहाँ पे बहुत सारी royal wedding भी हुई है, जैसे Prince Henry and Meghan Markle की, and there were many other royal weddings which happened at this place. My words are not enough to explain you how mesmerized I am with the architecture, with the royalty, and with the things inside the castle, but I'm sure you will echo my thoughts once you visit the castle. अब बारी आती है टिप्स की, जो कि बेस्ट पार्ट है इस वीडियो का। So first thing first, book your tickets online to save your time and to give more time to experience the royalty. Number 2 is that you need to match your timings, क्योंकि changing of the guard की ceremony 11 o'clock in the morning होती है, so the earliest you can get for 10 or 10:30 in the morning. Of course, there's no fees to watch. All you need to pay is the ticket to the castle, which costs around £30 per person approximately, though that depends upon the day, but generally this is how it is. If you want to watch from the street, then you can follow this timestamp and you will get the details to get the best view from outside the castle as well. Don't forget to pick up your audio guide with the headphones. It's gonna enhance your experience over there. The line to the doll house is extremely long, so a visit to the chapel should be the first stop when inside the castle. और सबसे important है, विंडसर जो है वो लंदन फेयर जोन के बाहर आता है, so make sure आपके पास वैलिड ट्रेन टिकट हो जो कि आपका पूरी जर्नी कवर करे, क्योंकि ट्रैवल कार्ड्स, ऑयस्टर कार्ड्स एंड कॉन्टैक्टलेस आर नॉट वैलिड इन दिस एरिया. जब आप एग्जिट कर रहे होंगे, अगर आपके पास टाइम हो तो वहाँ पे एक लेक एरिया भी है जहाँ पे आप बोट राइड कर सकते हैं, which will give you a real riverside view. So guys, we are at the end of the video and I'm sure by now you have all the information that you need to visit Windsor Castle. And if you do have any feedback, comments or suggestions, please leave them into the comment section. My next video is about a mysterious world-dated site. अगर आपने already guess कर लिया, then leave the answer in the comment section and stay tuned for the next video.